Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the new things you can do with the new update of this year, the iOS 18, and it's going to be in less than 5 minutes. So let's start. Number 1. Now with iOS 18 you can customize your icons of your home screen. Just tap in your screen a few seconds until you see this button, Edit, and then click in Customize. You will have a lot of options, like put the colors you want, the size and names of the icons, also if you want the background to be dark or bright, and the size of the widgets. Talking about the icons, you can move these ones everywhere you want, in the middle, at the corner, or wherever you like the most. Yes, I know Android users, you have this for a long time, but finally we have it in this update with the iOS 18. Now you can hide or block apps using your Face ID. This helps to maintain the privacy of the app you want. Just keep pressing the app you want to block and then select Face ID. If you want to hide it, just press for a few seconds the app, then delete, and then select delete from home screen. And this app just going to show it in the app library. Also, we have a new update on the app Photos. When I enter for the first time, I don't like it too much, but now you can customize the way you want to see your photos and albums. The only thing you have to do is enter in the app Photos, then go all the way down and then customize and reorder. Also with this new update we have a new app where we can save all of our passwords. We can save it here and have access to all of our passwords. Obviously, to have the access of this app, you will need your Face ID. With this app, you can also share your Wi-Fi passwords with QR codes. Obviously, you have to be previously accessed to that network. This function is not very useful, but it's nice to have it. With this, you can use your phone with just your eyes. To activate it, you have to go to Settings, Accessibility, and then Eye Tracking. You have to turn it on, and then just configure the function. And this final update is one of the best things that Apple create because it's for reduce the dizziness. When you are in a moving vehicle, all you have to do is going to accessibility, then movement, and then here. This will help you a lot to reduce the dizziness when you are in a car. And I think this is a super update on this new iOS 18. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below what do you think about this new iOS 18. We will see you in the next one. Goodbye.